Yo, I almost lost my brand new GoPro in the Blue Lagoon. I'm not surely cried today.
Yep, I made that. I bet you're wondering how I ended up in this situation. Yeah, another week, another down the road. So yeah, if you've been following down the road, you know that the first episode that we ever did was on the Blue Lagoon and on St. Margaret's Bay in Portland. So you don't know, Sasha is in town. So I had to do it. I had to touch the Blue Lagoon. We had like a rafting, and finally, Monkey Island. Monkey Island eludes me no more. Down the road, episode 6. Boom.
Great night, you can't stop the away.
But this one, macaroni.
Macaroni, I go.
Top is called Unda, 65 meters at the deepest point. You can't see the beat up here more tonight. Hey, you know this is most of the ton of priors today. I knock out now, no. I set the example down here. I set the example down here. I don't muscle work, dog. I muscle on my finger. Yes, sir. These are the Blue Lagoon villas for rent, you know. Each of them villas are like $1,000 a night.
Yeah?
Yeah, we get a meal chef and one bucket of your
Run a night.
Them is storing that part?
Yeah, that one that was by Michael Leach. Build it over.
If a man need waterfall, then build it round the waterfall.
Build it round it.
Monkey Island finally reached. So, Monkey Island is actually officially called Pelou Island. It's located off the Sansan coast, and a lot of people access it by boat or raft from either Sansan Beach or the Blue Lagoon. The island itself is made of permeable limestone, and a lot of people use the limestone properties and rub on their body to do a little massage. The island is fully covered with vegetation. A lot of people hike up to the middle and look out on the Blue Lagoon and off on the Sansan Beach. People just stay on the outskirts and the swimming. So there's lush seagrass beds and snorkeling areas and a really nice beachfront. So a lot of people just sit down and relax and enjoy the scenery. So Monkey Island, if you ever go to the Blue Lagoon, just take the trip out. Spend the money. It's a once in a lifetime experience. And it's really not that expensive.
Crikey. It's a wild Sasha K in her natural habitat.
You know sea creature?
You know sea creature.
Definitely a sea creature.
How long you had this, Muji?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, 4 years.
And you take every day? How you gonna run?
Every day, no day.
No day off? They have like a Christmas and
people went a day off, a big day for it. Christmas day and them day, they a big day for it.
that's true, cause holiday time is when everybody want to do them things, so you don't have to dip on the works. But what about Portland tourism? Like they find say
Bother it. That would answer. You know, slow and in a fast. But Portland is a natural place for tourists. Because when they do still know they sacrifice Portland to man to be as nickel and
I feel like Portland have enough potential still.
well, you say right, there's a gem of tourism in Portland. That's a Blue Lagoon farm, 65 meters, 213 feet, warm and cold when you swim. Sea water mixed with the mineral water. Now we go into the minerals.
Can I stop at the tree first?
You want to go by the tree?
Yeah. You know what time it is. You finna jump out of this tree. Well, in a video now. I'm gonna reach up here, so. Yeah, this is good. Blue Lagoon, famous tree. Jump time. So I'm in the Blue Lagoon. We're about to leave, go to the next spot, but I have to do one last thing before I go. Finna jump off this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Yo, I almost lost my brand new GoPro in the Blue Lagoon. But I surely cry today. Surely cry today.